In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate stick figure in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. We're going to start from a clean slide and end with a simple eye-catching stick figure animation you can use in presentations, lessons, or quick storyboards. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. On Windows, click the Start or Windows icon, then open PowerPoint from your apps. If PowerPoint is already running, you're good to go. Make sure you're on the Home tab so you can quickly add a new slide. Click New Slide, then choose Blank. A blank slide gives you a clean canvas so your animation stands out without distractions. Next, head to the Insert tab, look for Icons, which opens PowerPoint's built-in icon library. In the search or categories, find a stick figure you like. You'll see different poses and styles. Pick one that matches the movement you have in mind. Select it, then click Insert to place it on your slide. Adjust the size of the stick figure so it's clearly visible. Drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions consistent. If you need to rotate it, use the circular handle above the object. Position it where you want the animation to begin. Near the center usually looks best on most screens. Now switch to the Animations tab. This is where the fun begins. With the stick figure selected, choose an animation effect. Entrance animations like appear, fade, zoom, or float in are great for introducing a character. Emphasis effects can add subtle movement once it's on screen. Click an effect to preview how it looks on your slide. Apply the animation and take a moment to play it back. If the motion feels too fast or too slow, use the duration box to fine-tune the speed. For presentations where you want the animation to start automatically, set Start to with Previous. If you want to control it during your talk, choose On Click. Small tweaks here can make the animation feel more natural and polished. If the first choice doesn't quite match your vision, keep exploring different effects until you're happy. Try a gentle fade for a minimal look or a zoom for a more energetic entrance. Preview as you go to compare options and pick the one that fits your slide's tone. When your stick figure looks and moves the way you want, run the slide in Slideshow to check timing and placement at full size. That's it. You've created a clean, effective stick figure animation in PowerPoint. Save your file, and you're ready to present.